Welcome to Insurgency's new game mode called Frenzy. It's like a human wave simulator, where the enemies charge you with machetes, Molotovs.
Army helmets.
I just got stopped by his amazing beard.
Oh, hey.
Just for men.
And then there's mutton chops over there.
You know what?
Stick boy.
Furious mutton chops.
Were you building a barn and they called you to war?
Yes. Left side doorway, left side doorway.
Human wave simulator, here we go.
Yeah.
I'm gonna push north to the right.
Watch the fire.
Fire's good.
No, it's
Fire's
not.
good. Got right cover if you want to push.
I've got left.
I'm watching back.
I'm looking forward.
Contact down.
Moving up.
Left. Moving left to right. End of hall.
End of hall.
One back there.
Why is he not charging?
Oh,
That's a
fire
hot
in the hole.
tamale.
Excellent.
Push left.
Watching our six, watching our six.
Yep.
Right there.
Okay.
You're good.
Yep.
That was too close. I didn't like that.
I'm gonna push in, try to get that.
Sturmling, two left, two behind us, two coming from behind. Sturmling more.
There, you got contact.
Yeah, in the offices.
He's got moves.
Okay, we got the rear.
Loading.
Pushing in. I got stairwell if you want to push.
Okay, I'm pushing in.
Sturmling, they pushed further.
Left.
Yep, moving up.
He's down. Can probably hit the objective from here.
Go for it.
Okay.
Flank the, what?
Okay,
Down
we're
the
good.
hallways, guys.
Oh.
That's a heavy.
Light him up.
I got load. Backing off.
Down the stairs, down the stairs.
No, the heavy's coming.
Oh, he just. Oh, that's bad.
He just
Ah!
stabbed my head.
There, where you
Fire in
going?
the hole.
There, you broke formation. There, I'm down here.
Oh no, I got got.
He's still up there?
No, he's.
Suicide!
Is anybody left?
It's just Sturmling, me, and you.
Oh god.
He teleported through
Yeah,
Sturmling.
I saw that.
There's one of them just
Oh, hi,
has
Sturmling, hi.
teleportation
I
powers.
gotta get the ammo.
Oh, that's a good
Sturmling,
idea.
gotta keep him covered.
No, please, no, not everybody.
Go
look at the
upstairs.
ammo.
Go upstairs.
No.
Oh, Sturmling, you failed
I'm
me.
sorry. I switched to the grenade for some reason.
Oh,
Ow,
there, just got
Sturmling, you
sliced.
failed me.
Sturmling!
Sturmling, it's just you.
Sturmling, it's all up to you now.
Put that away. You're not qualified.
Okay.
What? Oh
Why would
my
you bring in
God.
RPG?
Why did you
that
bring an
man's on fire.
RPG into
Sturmling. My God.
Sturmling, run!
He's gone.
Oh my god.
So stressful to watch him. I also like the screams of a dead Sturmling or a dying Sturmling, soon to be dead.
Oh god, that one was on fire. He charged up the stairs on fire.
Good first try. Maybe work on that whole formation thing.
Yeah.
And not letting the enemy into it or running
That
away
man
from
was
it.
on fire.
I said we gotta get like grab ammo fast though, because we can't stay there.
Maybe cover each other when we get ammo.
There was no one to cover you.
I know he was looking at the ammo box for good.
I know he was
had a ring.
mesmerized by the more.
Put that away, Sturmling.
No.
Covering left with smoke.
Door!
Oh my!
Or that works. And he's getting cut. And
He still
dead.
got got anyways. RPG really worth it.
Yes. I've now covered that area.
Covered something.
Yes.
Contact front.
Big boy.
With the blood of the enemy. Oh god,
Trying to
heavy.
come down.
Left, three left.
Oh my goodness. What's
Here,
with the
sorry.
fireman?
Sorry.
Very hot. Very hot.
What are the human Molotovs?
He has
Left.
a torch.
Oh my
Are we
gosh.
good? No, we're
No,
not.
no. Do we want to try an alternative route?
Hallway.
I'm
Yeah,
loading.
you could enter that way that I RPG'd.
There's a lot in front of me.
Don't
Thank you.
worry, they're just regular weak ones.
Just regular weak ones.
I've got
I'm gonna
right.
cover the end of the hallway.
Just keep pushing. I've got rear.
That's a grenade.
Okay.
Back off! Oh my god.
The glowing one I think can teleport.
Yes, the glowing red one can teleport.
Back left.
Yep, it got magic.
Loading.
Has
He-
magic.
Is he a wizard, Sturmling?
He
One of the
doesn't.
Wizard insurgents.
Correct.
Ready cover for C4?
Yep.
As much as we're gonna be.
Okay, it's ready.
Rear is still clear.
We should
Go,
probably
go,
leave before
go.
you do it.
Ready? Fire the
Guys.
hole.
Oh
Before you shot me.
God.
no! I'm sorry.
Hey,
Oh,
your
dead.
detonator man's down.
No, switch pistol.
You have to do it manually now.
What does that mean?
Actually,
have
no,
to
wait.
go up
Fire.
and press
Throw a
the
grenade
buttons.
onto it.
Oh yeah, you should be able to
Hey,
blow
look, a
up
grenade.
the.
Aim.
Yeah.
It's right there. You can see the charge there at the edge of the wooden bots.
I don't know what I'm doing.
Yeah.
Wait,
That
Nope,
didn't
you
work.
gotta do it manually.
who else has stuff?
Actually, does my character did my character drop the clatter?
I have no idea.
Oh, there's not even a C4 charger
Beep
anymore.
boop
No.
boop beep boop boop
Beep
beep.
boop bop beep 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 beep.
Why
Are
are
we
there
sure we
18
need to destroy this stuff? Oh wow.
Wait, is that just
what
two
am I
mortar
using?
shells?
Oh,
two artillery
that
shells?
that does not. Oh,
This
wait,
doesn't
wait,
look
wait.
Official.
That's a weird name. LL Nooks. Oh,
Made the call! I made the call!
He brought his own.
Hey, look, I'm back. Nothing happened.
hey,
Up and to the
hey,
right.
up to the right, up to the right.
Up to the right.
Up
I've
and
got
to the
rear guard.
right.
Watching left. Left is clear.
Screaming down the hallway.
I hear
Sturmling.
screaming.
Sturmling, don't run to the screaming.
Point and you charge past me like a banshee.
But there was screaming.
No, the banshees. The screaming died downstairs.
Bear, we've moved forward.
You need to push.
He's
into
coming
that
up
big
behind
room, I
us.
think, but I don't like that idea.
Well, what about the screaming banshee man?
He's-
Bear's killing him.
Behind.
Ready for.
It's.
We've
Behind.
Bear, we've lost you very far.
Behind.
Sturmling, kill the thing behind him.
This looks fun.
Okay.
Is there more?
Left.
I got this.
Loading.
Keep moving.
Yes. Hooray!
Yeah, I was like, "Where's all the screaming?" And then 20 of them came up the stairs at me.
Yeah,
what
that's
do you
not
see?
good.
I'm seeing nothing. No, lied. I lied.
Seeing,
I was gonna watch our rear, but I don't trust the front.
I've got right.
Who's wanna here? Let me break the glass.
What are we?
Here,
what's
hold
the
on.
matter,
I'll
guys?
throw a grenade.
Is a metal detector? Oh god, that guy.
Is this? Oh, this is. Hold on. Cover me.
Big boy.
Yes.
Fire
Really
in the
concerned about
hole.
The stairs. You made me nervous.
Fire in the hole.
Oh yeah, we should. Let me go back up.
Hooray! Look at this guy.
Guys, get ready. We're about to get busy.
We need to get ammo.
I'm resupplying.
Bro, behind you.
I feel like this is gonna happen again.
I've got your stairwell. Tape ammo time.
I would love a couple mags.
Well, yeah. I mean,
Okay, ammo time. Cover me.
Moving.
Cover me.
yeah, we're moving up somewhere. What about that
Who's-
guy?
Just shoot him.
Right.
Let's say, hey,
Right.
that guy. Wow.
That was a good one there. Left.
Hooray!
Left.
Wait, left.
Above us.
What's the
Be
screaming
clear
guy?
of 6.
Let's know. Is he above us or below? Okay. Okay.
Let's
In front.
Through the hole.
formation.
I've got sits.
Okay,
I've got
let's
sits. You
stagger
guys
a
keep
bit,
your
getting
formation.
a little
Staggering.
Watch
crazy.
stairs on the left. Stairs on the left.
Look,
I have the
that
6.
guy
Keep
closed
pushing.
off their thing. Yes.
You've got the sits. Okay, we gotta go downstairs, guys. So go through
Nope.
here.
We gotta go up. We gotta go up.
slowly,
We gotta go up.
Go down the other stairwell. Wait,
Down.
what?
We have to
No,
go up.
It's the park. No, it's the
You
parking
have to
garage.
go down to go up.
Oh,
The parking
What?
garage.
there's a parking garage.
Thank you.
This is gonna be bad.
Much appreciated.
Bro, what about
Not appreciated.
Are we good to go?
Yeah,
about
we're
as
going
good as
down the
we'll ever be.
stairwell probably into the deep dank dungeon.
I'm more stressed out
hold
being
on.
in the rear than I was the,
The
point, by
deep,
the way.
dank dungeon.
Yeah, that's what this is.
Spread out.
Ow!
Dick boy shot
Oh, you
Sturmling.
hit me.
I'm sorry. I was killing the
Big boy,
thing.
watch here.
Jumper.
Jump.
Okay,
I'm-
good.
Left.
Yep.
There's more.
Big boy.
I got him. That was a lie.
No.
Sturmling was so faithful, and you're saying I got him.
I know. I was like, I stopped firing because I'm like, he can't take much more.
Shh, boat. Oh no!
Contact!
Left one. He's
I got
2.
you.
Left 2.
Right three.
Oh
Oh gosh. Help! Help! Oh my god. Please get that objective before we.
I
all-
said right
Don't worry.
3.
There's only two of you
Reload.
left.
Make sure you're fully reloaded.
Big boy's
Yes.
running in there.
It's my hidey hole.
That's
The
what the-
objective?
This is my home. I live here now.
Yes.
The parking
What are you just
maze?
gonna live in these vans? In that.
Hey, Sturmling, how does this make you feel?
Why do you have...
I'm glad that it's gone to a good
It's gone to a
home.
good home.
Hey,
We're back.
I'm here.
We're 5 defend.
Bear,
Le
we can be
hear a
RPG
lot of
buddies.
yelling.
left, left.
Watch out, watch out, watch out, watch out, watch out! I'm gonna close that way.
Let's all not look one way.
A lot of screaming from that direction.
Yeah, over
What's
here
the?
somewhere.
Oh, we gotta go back upstairs.
Yeah,
Aw,
we're now going
man.
to the lobby above us. There's ammo here to the left.
Okay.
I got stairwell.
Are we all grouped
Hold on a
back
second.
together?
Big boy, big boy, big boy.
No, God.
This looks well. I'm glad I'm back.
Oh, wait, no.
I thought that was one of you.
I did too. I thought this guy was one of you.
So if I reach into his ammo box, am I gonna get...
God, probably.
It's not a good sign.
Stairs is good.
Why do I hear yelling behind us?
Oh, I mean,
above you.
that's just the tormented souls of the damned.
Well,
Oh.
I'm
Where's
shopping.
the C4?
I want my gun back.
I'm going upstairs.
I need goodies.
I'm just watching on you. You can't leave you behind.
I hear yelling behind.
Yeah, I know.
No, it's not. It's not behind. It's ground
It's
level.
behind.
No, the screaming's ground level though.
Yes, but the guy is
Sup-
behind us.
I'm going upstairs.
Bo, are you good?
Are-
Yeah, just keep moving. I'll catch up.
Are you certain?
Guys, Boy needs someone to cover his back.
You not
Oh,
trust me?
Stick Boy ran away.
I said I'm going upstairs.
Well,
Guys!
here we are. Ah!
That's why you have a point guard at the back.
I bring my own rear security.
Good.
He's above you guys' balcony floor.
It's under reload.
Boy made the mistake of reloading as he entered the combat zone.
Sturmling, you have that?
No.
Sturmling? Bad.
This is where you use the fun toys you just picked up.
Oh, don't
Where'd
charge
that
me!
one?
No, whoa, whoa!
Okay. Do you need to bind your wounds?
Only ones I have
Okay,
is RPG.
Bo. Yeah, you aim the RPG.
No,
you run up
you
to them.
gotta
and-
do quick 180 snaps. If someone's behind
Oh,
you,
no.
will get them.
Hey, don't want
Behind
that.
you! Behind you!
Bind.
What?
Never mind, it's a ghost.
Call outs are terrible.
Nope, nope. It was actually true. He was just waiting for his friend.
That screaming is terrifying.
Yeah.
No, here he comes.
Wow.
Wow, you
That-
just dropped that heavy like it was nothing.
Well, I put like 3/4 of a mag into him beforehand.
And you've got drum mates.
Why come
You
prepared?
guys don't have drum mags?
Sponsored
There's-
by Magpool.
I'm.
Yes.
Leader. Whoa.
Oh look, there's a screaming.
Bad.
Okay, look, it's going.
Oh. Oh no. I heard the click click.
He's still screaming.
Yeah, he doesn't stop.
Killed most people with a picked up weapon.
Whose weapon did you pick up, Bo?
I don't know what that'd be with.
Good news, I brought extended mags.
We have to start over.
Yeah, but we're gonna do better this time. We're gonna win.
We're gonna make sure no one gets near us.
I don't believe that. I'm gonna stroke off. Okay, here they. That works. In front.
Jumper,
Oh,
One in
jumper.
front.
Jump! Jump.
Yeah, it's bad. Front's bad. Front's bad. I don't want to die.
There's an already a
Fire,
heavy.
hot.
I feel like I gave myself for you guys.
He's on fire. Can we
Wait.
can we stop the fire?
No, no,
I
we
think
can't.
I'm
But
gone.
I see something I want from the fire.
Is it Bo's gun?
No, it's Bo's incendiary. Fire.
Who
go out.
launched all the smoke?
That was me before I
To
died.
cover.
Sorry.
I know, but he gave cover to them.
No, but it slows
No.
them down.
Yeah, they move slower in the smoke.
Okay, here we
Come
go.
on, Stick Boy.
Front,
Don't you
front.
know zombie logic? Oh,
No pressure. We got like 2 more tries.
yeah, but we're gonna get it this time. I feel good about. Oh God, why?
Invisible jumper! Invisible!
You're shooting me.
Please. The objective.
I didn't know if he was dead or not.
Get to it alone.
Okay, I'm watching the back.
Fire in the hole. I didn't reach far enough. Oh, come on.
No. Gordo.
Oh, that's the clicking.
Stick boy, you have to live. Hey, we
Alright,
won.
here we go.
Oh wait.
Nope.
That never happened.
Ready?
Alright, boys. We did well last time until we fell apart, so no falling apart.
But
Anyone
I
have
don't
super
have
glue and
control
duct tape?
over that.
You need to make the, you gotta enforce these grooming standards a bit better.
Are you mocking my grooming standards?
See, when the grooming standard fails, that's what happens.
You know, I didn't think it was that.
Jumper. Jumper. Jumper.
Heavy,
Big
heavy.
boy, big boy.
Yep, heavy.
Oh,
He's
he just
down.
got cut down.
Good.
Loading.
See, when the grooming standard
Loaded.
fails, all their standards.
Are you talking about my
Not
beard
about-
steal?
Look at these mud chops.
Headshot.
No, it's not my fault that he let his mutton chops get into untamed
That's hot,
territory.
guys. Don't walk into that.
No,
You mock mock the mutton chops, but they will come in handy and they will save you.
How?
Ready to push in a minute?
No.
I don't. My gun went click.
Hey, he heard you say, "Are you ready?" He's like, "I'm ready." Brian. The Kobe reference.
Alright, we gotta get this. Ah.
I think you're setting our expectations a bit high if you think we're going to make this.
And
I
in
just
public
wanna
in
survive
public
this.
lobbies with 8 people, we've never made it past the lobby.
I know, but let's keep going.
I'm just saying.
Okay.
I'm going right to the door.
I'm
This
gonna
time-
drop the grenade.
This time we move with efficiency of a.
Jug. Jug.
Just forget my speech and shoot.
I'm on you, Bo. I'm on you.
Hooray!
Everybody alive? Let's move to the door.
Everything worked out better than
One pushing through the door.
Please cover left.
Yep, watching it. I'm watching it.
I'm
Pushing
doing
in.
stuff.
I'm on you.
Went
I'm
up.
on you.
Sturmling, you've got reared.
Watch out! Watch
That's
out! Cell phone.
Fall back, fall back.
We're good.
How's the rear,
Oh,
Sturmling?
As everything in the rear is taken care of for the moment.
You guys keep me covered.
Yep.
Maybe.
Hey. Oh,
Excellent.
you lit it on fire.
That was the
Note
plan.
to self: bring those instead of C4.
Down the hall.
This worked out better than expected.
Front left, front left.
End of the
Oh,
hall, I'm
bear,
watching
you crossed
upstairs.
the line in front of my line of fire.
What happened?
I'm getting ammo.
I'm watching out this door.
Hope I don't get whacked over the head again. Okay.
Left,
Can I
left,
get
multiple.
ammo? I'm
Got point on
resupplying.
stairwell.
Okay, good on ammo.
Go, go, go.
Moving up the stairs.
Does that go to me or
No, Sturmling.
What was that?
I got it. Don't worry.
is this
Okay,
somebody
Pushing
taking a
up,
phone
I'm
call?
pushing
I
up.
thought.
Oh, okay. They shouldn't be taking a phone call in a place of business.
Well,
Pushing.
oh,
Bow right. Bow right.
Right.
he got lit up.
More. More.
Okay, following you, Bo.
I've stood
Not
at
that
your
close
back.
to me.
I hear screaming.
I know. Keep pushing. Making
Pushing
good
with you.
progress.
Screaming's ahead of us to the left.
Ahead of us to the left.
Has to be downstairs.
Yeah, it had to be downstairs.
Okay.
Take point. Give me a little room.
Okay.
Found him.
Let me know.
Be
On
prepared
them.
to back up off
On
that.
them.
Yep.
Back off.
Backing off.
Barry, you watching our back?
Yeah, that's good.
Going for the throw.
Okay.
It is on target.
Excellent.
Okay, now
Let
we
that
wait,
burn.
so dig in.
Have to do a mag change. Here we
Excellent.
go. Changing mags.
Okay.
Alright.
Preparing to
C
go
is
down.
the parking garage behind us.
Yep. Push up and cover me for a second. I got ammo.
Yep.
Need a new thermite. I'm good.
Sits,
Anybody else
sits.
needs ammo?
Yep.
No!
Only
Oh,
single
God.
around the front.
Hey, we gotta get ready to go. I'm grabbing ammo.
Keep going. Nice job.
Watching the stairs. Stairs are so good.
Let's go, let's go.
Where are we going? Where are we going?
Left, left, left.
Left. Moving up.
Still screaming in there. Sorry, dude. Sturmling's down. Keep moving. Stairwell. I got point.
Okay.
Behind you. Fire.
Oh,
Guys,
Bo,
good?
I got lit on fire on the stairs.
Am I alone?
Yeah, you're all alone.
You got this.
It's the danger of
sure.
stairwells when there's exploding zombies.
Oh, don't forget, there's probably gonna be a guy with a bunch of armor.
Or a cell
That's
phone.
a bad sound.
That was a collect call for you.
I noticed. Keep moving.
All right.
Now,
You
you
got
have a
it?
couple options here. You can hide there, or you can hide in a panel van behind you.
If I figure if I can hold this door.
So how much are you?
Man hiding may get you on a certain list.
My
Yeah.
gosh, there's so many.
So how much are you charging for parking?
$5.99.
Yeah.
Oh, that's not
That's
bad.
$5.99.
cheap. Hey, remember,
Right.
no bicycles.
I saw him. You guys are dropping in. It's gonna be hot. Get ready.
Yep.
We spawn near the panel van.
We're in.
Watch out! Contact behind me.
Yep. He's down.
Left is good.
There's one behind me, like
Everything-
somewhere back.
He's already dead. He's already dead.
Thank you.
We're all.
There's ammo up ahead
fine.
at the stairwell
Yeah,
on the
push the
left.
ammo.
Bo.
Yep.
Let's get
moving to
good
the ammo.
coverage this time. We learned what happened last time.
Yes.
2 people on the stairwell.
Doing a mag change.
I hear screaming.
What's above us?
Is it?
Yep.
It
Taking
sounds like it's
point.
getting closer.
Watch the stairwell. Watch the stairwell. There's a flaming guy inbound.
I got it. It's following me.
Watching.
Safe
Okay,
distance.
moving back up with you.
There's gonna be contact probably to my right, like last time.
Yep.
Contact front. Contact front. I'm covering upper stairwell. Cover my.
Yeah, I'm covering the front.
Move in. Let me know.
Moving in.
Woo! Barrymore.
Guy, flaming guy.
Oh god.
Don't tell me you just lost everybody.
Oh, I'm still alive, but the doorway's blocked.
So yes,
Skip Boy is
I got
playing the
everybody.
floor as
separated, okay?
lava.
It is. Look at that.
Yeah, it's not great.
Oh,
Guys? Oh great.
my.
Everybody but Stick Boy.
Everybody
Burning,
with
like
Sick Boy.
Sturmling's burning alive in front of me.
Yeah, I'm
Be
there
careful, that
too.
RPG's also burning, so you may not want to stand next to it.
How you doing, Bo?
How you doing in
Heavy
there?
guy off your right.
Stay away, move forward.
I'm in the room already.
Stay right there.
If I move forward, heavy.
Move with me.
Okay.
Yeah. If you're together,
Sits.
you can
Never
do
mind.
anything.
Absolutely. Going to put out a new Craigslist ad.
Needs operators.
Gonna throw thermite so we can block that way, but one guy just macheted you.
He
One of my
macheted.
mistakes last time.
He macheted
Yes.
me once, and my guy decided that he just didn't want to use his gun again.
Well, yeah, because he's getting macheted.
Objective is up there.
Yeah,
Yes.
well, it's the lobby.
Oh.
It's carefully guarded by that guy and that guy. Look at. Oh my gosh.
Human Torch can just die anytime.
Yeah.
Good news is, you still have a way around him.
Yes, but I
Yes.
aggroed him. Never mind.
What, they
It's the,
travel
it's
like.
the Congo line.
Ugh.
What is
Made switch.
They're like sand people. They travel in straight lines so
This
they
is
can seal
not
their
a,
numbers.
in
Okay,
any
that's
zombie
not a way
apocalypse.
out.
That is not a safe spot.
Ah!
They waited for the bathroom break.
Every direction.
You know,
They
at
waited
least
for the bathroom break.
they were rather cordial. They let you get out of the bathroom first.
They know you didn't wash your hands. Okay, here we go.
Again.
Here we go, boys.
I'm switching up the strategy here.
What's the strategy?
Shotgun.
Ah.
And incendiaries, as I learned that those are better for
Yep, there
burning
we go.
objectives.
Sturmling has the RPG out again.
I'm ready to take out that door.
Bear, I would back up from that.
Back up, Bear, back.
You didn't back up. You really
Not
let me
sure
down
what I
there,
can
Sturmling.
We're there.
You
They're like
really let me
discipline
down.
Breaking down.
We're
It's
good.
not like you had a gun, Sturmling.
Morale
Sturmling,
set
watch
at all
left.
times.
Sturmling, watch
My
left.
RPG already out.
Still have not been enforced. There's a heavy in front of me.
Oh, I can
Heavy,
help.
heavy in front of me. Heavy.
Oh.
It's
Well-
been held.
Contact in front of me. I'm not even gonna say what that was, but going for the objective.
Yep.
Okay, following you.
Your might out.
Yep.
Fall back.
What was that?
Don't worry about it.
Hooray!
It was just a.
On the left, parking lot, guys.
Yep. Got him.
Are you back?
Oh yeah, I'm back.
Welcome
Let me
back.
Push in.
Back with a vengeance.
Pushing in.
Changing mags. I gotta reload again, of course.
Hey guys,
Yes.
I came prepared.
Good.
Push
Hey
the ammo
Bo,
box.
Bo, this is a close quarter weapon, right?
Sure. And, you know, at this point, we're just going with whatever.
Pushing.
Seriously?
Big boy, you take point.
Yep. That's what I'm doing.
Looks like it's
Oh
safer
no,
to
it's
have
not a close
private
quarter
spot.
weapon.
How?
No
Where's
one was watching behind us.
I was trying to get ammo, but that's fine.
front? Reloading.
I'm watching the rear.
Right looks good.
Okay.
Backing up.
Left clear.
Still behind you.
Yep, following you. Getting to you.
Stairwell.
Oh, look how slow Stick Boy is. He's like, I'm gonna check every corner because I know it's my fault. Something happens.
Yes.
Yep.
Full deniability.
We'd actually.
Okay.
let you recover
Stairs.
the stick.
Bo, you have incinerators. You want to go first?
I will make a good throw.
Stormling, watch rear.
Watching behind.
Oh, good. The window breaks.
10, back off.
Yep.
That was good fortune. The window breaks.
I
Yes.
figured it would go through the window.
Well, you don't know how hard your character throws. Hey, I broke rule number 1 of the zombie apocalypse.
You went in the bathroom.
Stick Boy, got
It
him
spawned
down.
me in a bathroom.
Aw.
Help!
Moving up.
Oh, that's bear.
Please don't
He's
shoot
the one
me.
in the office.
Hooray! I got that guy.
Think
And
you
that
watch the
guy.
stairwell. I'm pushing left.
Following you.
Left good. In the stairwell.
Okay. Moving.
Yep.
Last
Following.
time. Remember what happened last time, right?
Spacing.
Fuego.
Contact front.
Yep.
Front, heavy front.
Yep.
Oh, did someone say heavy?
Yeah. Still charging.
He's down.
Don't worry, he's dead.
Big game hunting.
Push the objective.
Yep, pushing up.
Something front right of me.
Oh.
Hear that screaming?
It's above.
Yeah.
Jumper.
Someone got
Down.
jumpered.
I'm gonna reload.
That screaming. That
Don't
never
mind the
stops.
screaming.
They're on me. They're on me.
Oh,
Streamer's down.
Yeah, I'm in here.
hey, the sprinkler system's on.
This
More
thing's
contact on
awesome.
me. I got mag change.
Yep.
Yeah, I gotta do a med change soon.
Okay.
Behind.
Ah, I got hit from behind.
Oh my gosh, med change, med change.
Back up into the corner. Back up into the corner.
Okay.
Med change. I'm loaded.
Okay.
We getting mortared?
I have no
It
idea.
doesn't
We're
sound
underground. We gotta defend this, guys, so get ready.
good. We had to defend it?
Jumper.
Yeah, so get-
Down.
I need to reload.
Another jumper down.
Okay.
That one. Okay, that one's down.
I'm glad you managed to get that.
How much we have to
Contact
defend?
left. Contact left. Contact
30
left.
seconds.
Okay. Okay.
Jumper.
Everything.
No more jumper.
Two more jumpers. Two more jumpers.
Oh.
That's out of ammo. Oh no.
We're going.
That's our hold for 20.
Okay.
15, guys. Hold for 15. You're doing good.
Sturmling jumper.
There's nothing but jumpers. Why?
God.
5 seconds.
It's like they spawned in right
Get
when I'm
ready, we're in.
reloading. Okay, we're all in.
All right. Well, I'm back.
Welcome back.
Do I want to be back?
No.
No.
Where's the objective? Why is there so
Above
much
us.
screaming? Why are we screaming?
Because everything's
Ah!
terrible.
Okay, I've got stairwell.
Okay.
Got
I
rid
need
of
mags,
the-
please.
Try to keep
Let's
a little
go,
more
Sturmling.
distance this time.
Moving up.
2 Molotovs.
Floor is low.
Go ahead, Bo. I got back.
Sounds like I joined a really fun party.
Okay.
Watch out for the Fuego.
I hear it. Covering
Well,
stairwell.
I'm watching the right.
Watching the left.
Rear's clear.
What is happening to that man?
I don't know, but I can see him.
Put him out of his misery.
This time?
Yeah, let's
Following
cut left
you.
this time.
I have friends this time. Feels so
Yes.
different.
Bear, you got rear.
I'm pulling a play from your book.
Oh,
that
throwing
mean?
incendiaries
Loading?
behind us.
Yeah.
What about that one?
I got him.
Okay.
I'm gonna drop a incinerate to the left here.
Jumper.
Surprises. We're gonna push in.
Jumper.
Ready?
Somewhere.
Right on you.
Bomb.
He's down. Let's push.
Yeah.
Push. Push.
Go, go, go.
Grab a
Moving.
wall and push.
Watch your left, watch your left.
I got left.
I'm watching behind us. I need to reload.
Pushing
Get
right.
objective.
Going to the
Jumpers off the
objective.
That's a big guy actually.
We got him. We got him.
He's down.
Alright, let's move. Fire on the right.
Flamer
fire
on
the
the
right.
stairs.
Ah, got me.
Stick boys down. Left,
Okay.
left. I got mag change.
Got
Do your
them.
mag changes. Do your mag changes. I gotta do one now.
I have no ammo.
Left.
Left.
Oh, Stick Boy's gun's in
Down.
the fire. Once that fire clears.
I don't need his gun. I just had to put a mag
You
in.
need his ammo.
Well, you said no. You said no ammo.
Yeah, I mean, like, and the
Okay.
gun, like, click.
Okay.
That's
Oh.
not us!
But that one was so fast.
I know, I thought he was you.
Jumpers down upstairs.
Moving up.
On you.
Oh, they're here.
I got this stairwell covered, go. It's a light, watch your back.
Okay.
Bear, that is so overkill. Bear's up here going MW2 up here.
I came prepared to win.
I was gonna give you crap about using that gun, but just take the point.
I came
Sturmling?
prepared.
You
I'm
okay?
back.
Sturmling, it's
No.
okay.
Sturmling, you watch to the left. I watch the right.
Hey boy, we're respawning.
Yep.
Okay.
And we're
Welcome
here.
back, everybody.
We're separated by fire right now.
Through the lobby. Through the
Other
lobby.
door, Bo. Other door.
Lobby.
It's open. They pushing again.
Left side. 3 left side.
Closing right with fire.
Molotov.
Hey.
Small top does.
Molotovs.
Loading.
That's fine.
Loading. Who got separated from the herd?
Me.
Everybody.
Okay, mortars again.
What's that?
Why am I always the one
Why
that
are
gets
we going
separated?
Oh god, they're behind us.
Ow! We weren't prepared.
Hey, I'm
Oh,
prepared.
that's cheatsy doodles. I love it. Except they're gonna throw Molotovs at you now.
It's fine.
Stick
Ah!
Hey, stick, they're on the
Stick Boy's on fire yelling blue.
No, plan.
There's fire everywhere, they're on the point.
You played yourself with the land of fire.
Oh no, no.
Ah,
No!
Stick Boy, it's down to you, buddy.
Fire.
this is a bad idea.
Stick boy, you're almost there. Focus, stick boy. Focus.
He's having no
Focus, stick boy. I am the champion. I am the tiger.
I'm
I
the
am the
part of-
champion.
I don't know something.
Body part of someone heroic.
No.
He got
You catch that
Kobe.
with your face?
He did.
He went, Coach, pass me the ball.
Why?
This rifle's the best thing ever.